Okay, so let's start with today's video. And in today's video, I'll again be showing you how to play this clean state simulation. Let's go on to compensation, and we're just going to give a little bit of compensation in the beginning because as it's a new company and I have competitors in this company as well, so we'll end up having less amount of money to be given as compensation, but we have to give some of it just in order to have a good reputation among employees. So we don't need too many engineers, or it's better to select total instead of growth. Then we can have around 6 engineers and 4 sales people. As you can see over here, we have 3 salesperson and 2 engineers already in the company. The main thing that we have to look for is our competitors. As you can tap on this competitors written on the status bar and then view their data. And now you can see the runaway year of our is 1.7. Startup competitor has a 3.4 and the incumbent competitor has a 137.9, which is a very good runaway year. Payback period in years is 6.9 for the incumbent one. Startup competitor has 6.0, we have 5.7. Uh, this energy saving is 24, so we have to increase our energy savings. Uh, Price per unit right now for 75,000 making 15,000 per unit is quite good, but we'll have to keep it on 75,000 because we won't be able to sell a single unit in the beginning of our company. So let's start it up and hit advance. Now after the first quarter we'll have such news newsfeed like economy update. The Federal Reserve plans to hold rate steady as she goes. Fed chairs expect GDP growth. We don't have to care about that right now, and we'll just continue hitting advance until unless we can get uh, some customers. Economic report, economic engine continues to hum at historical levels. Okay, I don't care about that right now. And why do I have sales and okay, let's hit it once again. 10th employee hired. Okay, keep it steady. Now let's see our competitors. Their pricing has been lowered, but I'll keep mine on 75,000 because I haven't even scored a single customer yet. In front of doing that. First customer acquired. Okay. Now there are 2 ways that you can do. I don't have to need to have more employees, otherwise I'll go bankrupt in seconds. And I should have stopped hiring more people way before I started my second year of selling. Let's give it a shot again and see if we can make some money. No, we did not, sadly. Still, I'll go for another advance. Still no money, but I've hired a 10th customer. Let's see if we go bankrupt. No, we did not. We made some money. You see this growing, that net income would be around 91.2. It's that billion. I can't see it though. Let me just go on income statement. Return tax 0, 91,000. Okay. It's a good news. Let me see. We have to keep on checking on our competitors as well. As you can see that they've reduced their rates, so should this is usually considered as a dirty play to lower your rates in order to lure in more competitors, but I think that we don't have any choice right now, so I'll just do it to $72,000 and let's hit advance. World economy likely to continue. That's a good thing. Now it's time to hire some more engineers because I need good supply of outputs. And let's increase some compensation. Not too much, but we'll have to give them some compensation in order to get good good employees. So that was. So you see, when you get this kind of news, then you have to increase your compensation. Sorry, I'll increase the salary up to 15%, and it's and let me add like just three people in sales and admin, and now hit advance. And let's wait. Nope. Okay, whenever such news comes on your news feed that companies report difficulty in filling vacancies, you have to start giving more compensation. Okay, I'll make this 25 profit sharing 8%. No, 8, not 28, but 8. But very manageable. So let's see what our competitors are up to. View their data. 69, 65. I'll do it at 67. Growth, okay. Okay, let's hit advance one more time. And these type of news also mean that you have to increase your compensation a little bit. So I'll make this 8 and I'll make this 25. Save, hit advance one more time. And as you can see over here that our cash flow is going up. Quarterly survey of leading economists suggests above average growth will continue into the next quarter. I don't have to change anything and I can still keep making money. Now we have to see where our competitors pricing are. Mm, right now 37. I'll play a dirty game again and I'll push my pricing down to 58,000, then hit advance. As this is the last year, I don't even care about my inflows or exceeding. Okay, that's great. Then the GDP, okay. So these are the last 2 quarters, and nothing can go wrong right now. So I'll just hit advance. 4 million, okay. Announce the acquisition of the 1,000 customer for this. Compensation time. This is not 82 but 12. So, okay, competitors again, pricing 89, 88,000. Let's do 88,000. Or if I do 188,000. So as you can see that at the mere end of the simulation, you can hike up your prices and gain a lot of cash inflow. Now it's better to see our cash flow. Ours is minus 4.3 right now, minus 2.3 because we increased the price too much at the mere end. And income statement. So our sales were quarterly 80, 59, 19. This 19 is due to the hike in our unit price, and that's why only 19 sales were done in the last quarter. That was just to show you the difference in the income. It's 5.3 million, which is a bit less because I made up to a billion, and that was just keep on practicing, keep on doing it again and again with different strategies. That's what my whole take on this startup simulation is, that you just have to keep on trying again and again with different strategies, like for instance hiring more engineers or hiring more sales and admin just to increase the sales of your startup, and that's about it. I hope that this video is helpful for the person who commented to help him out. And so, yeah, you just have to just go through all of these sales, income statements, cash flows, shares. I haven't been to shares. Let's go and see what's over there. So, okay, we did not had any VC shares, outstanding shares, and everything seems to be very fine. And that's about it. I hope it was quite helpful for you people to understand this whole simulation. Until next time, Allah Hafiz.